This is ice cream, you guys. Want some? It's one of those days where I just want to feel refreshed again. A little air care, a little foot care, and a lot of calm. Hi guys, welcome back. Today's vlog is all about showing myself some love right from home. No pressure, no rush, just you, me, and a self-care day. So let's get right into this video. Let's do a quick unboxing of my new mic. I've been waiting for this one. I used it in my last video, but I didn't unbox it with you guys. I'm really excited to see how it looks and sound, and I'm hoping this changes the whole sound game for me. This is like the first time that I'll be relaxing my hair this year rather. I've not relaxed my hair at all this year because I heard that relaxer is harmful, so I stopped. But once in a year is not so bad actually, because this hair that I want to make, I need to relax my hair, so there's no harm in trying. Once in a year is not so bad, like I said. So that's what I'm doing. Fun fact about me is that I have always relaxed my hair right from secondary school by myself. I don't allow anybody to relax my hair for me. I can't even remember going to the salon to have my hair relaxed. I do my thing myself because I'm a DIY girl. I love to do it myself. If I could make my hair myself, I would do it. I would gladly do it. So another reason why I haven't relaxed my hair is that I don't know if it's my scalp, but whenever I relax my hair, even if I leave it for 5 seconds, I'm going to have it on my head. At first, I thought it's the relaxer. Yeah, it's the relaxer actually. Of my scalp. I don't even know, I'm confused. But I always have a bond by relax my hair. I don't know if my scalp. That's why I even believed when they said relaxer is wax. So I'll just do it once in a year. Or twice. Or once is better. This is ice cream, you guys. Want some? So this is what I love to do most of the time. I start from the back before I come to the front, because if I start from you want to So the thing is, while I wait, I'll just do some laundry. Oh my gosh, I hate washing clothes. I'm not domestic in Cardi's voice, but I want to like wash all my clothes and we wait for this to get done.
Trying to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on the night day. Thank you guys for clicking on today's video. That'll be all. So if you find this video interesting, if you like it, do not forget to comment, like, share. So bye guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.